Hello everyone, my name is Yufalia with ID number 2023 041 and 0042. Will deliver an assignment of interpreting. So in this video, I will interpret the video from a Trump speech about the US. So let's check it.
A short time ago, the United States military began major combat operations in Iran. Our objective is to defend the American people by eliminating imminent threats from the Iranian regime, a vicious group of very hard, terrible people. Its menacing activities directly.
Okay. Baru saja, militer Amerika Serikat memulai operasi tempur besar-besaran di negara Iran. Dan tujuan kami adalah untuk melindungi rakyat Amerika Serikat dengan menghapus ancaman-ancaman yang nyata dari rezim Iran, yaitu sebuah kelompok jahat yang berisi orang-orang yang sangat kasar dan mengerikan.
Endanger the United States, our troops, our bases overseas, and our allies throughout the world. For 47 years, the Iranian regime has chanted death to America and waged an unending campaign of bloodshed and mass murder, targeting the United States, our troops, and the innocent people in many, many countries. Among the regime's very first acts was to back a violent takeover of the U.S. Embassy in Tehran, holding dozens of American hostages for 444 days.
Oke, kegiatan mereka membahayakan pasukan dan sekutu kita di seluruh dunia. Selama 47 tahun, rejim ini telah menyerukan kematian untuk Amerika Serikat dan melakukan pembunuhan massal. Dan mereka juga pernah menduduki kedutaan kita di Teheran dan menyandera warga Amerika selama 444 hari.
In 1983, Iran's proxies carried out the Marine barracks bombing in Beirut that killed 241 American military personnel. In 2000, they knew and were probably involved with the attack on the USS Cole. Many died. Iranian forces killed and maimed hundreds of American service members in Iraq. The regime's proxies have continued to launch countless attacks against American forces stationed in the Middle East in recent years, as well as U.S. naval and commercial vessels in international shipping lanes. It's been mass terror, and we're not going to put up with it any longer.
Oke, kelompok suruhan mereka mengebom asrama marinir di Beirut pada tahun 1983 dan terlibat dalam serangan kapal USS Cole tahun 2000. Mereka telah membunuh ratusan prajurit kita di Irak serta terus menyerang kapal-kapal di pelayaran internasional, dan kami tidak akan membiarkan itu terjadi lagi.
Something like the world has never seen before. Iran is the world's #1 state sponsor of terror and just recently killed tens of thousands of its own citizens on the street as they protested. It is all.
Dari Lebanon hingga Yaman, rezim ini telah mendanai militasi teroris yang mengacaukan kawasan. Kelompok suruhan mereka, yaitu bisa dibilang Hamas, melancarkan serangan brutal pada tanggal 7 Oktober ke negara Israel dan membantai 1.000 orang lebih dan menyandera warga kita, dan itu adalah tindakan yang sangat kejam.
Always been the policy of the United States, in particular my administration, that this terrorist regime can never have a nuclear weapon. I'll say it again, they can never have a nuclear weapon. That is why in Operation Midnight Hammer last June, we obliterated the regime's nuclear program at Fordow, Natanz, and Isfahan. After that attack,
Iran adalah pendukung teror nomor 1 di dunia, dan baru ini membunuh puluhan ribu warganya sendiri saat protes atau saat demo. Dan kebijakan saya sangat tegas. Rejim ini tidak boleh punya senjata nuklir. Karena itu, Juni lalu kami sudah menghancurkan program nuklir mereka di Fordow, di Natanz, dan di Isfahan.
nuclear ambitions, and we can't take it anymore. Instead, they attempted to rebuild their nuclear program and to continue developing long-range missiles that can now threaten our very good friends and allies in Europe, our troops stationed overseas, and could soon reach the American homeland. Just imagine how emboldened this regime would be if they ever had.
Oke, kami sudah melakukan kesepakatan, tapi mereka terus-menerus menolaknya dan malah membangun kembali program nuklir serta rudal yang mempunyai jarak jauh. Rudal ini sekarang mengancam sekutu kita di Eropa dan sebentar lagi bisa menjangkau tanah air Amerika.
And obliterated. We're going to annihilate their navy. We're going to ensure that the region's terrorist proxies can no longer destabilize the region or the world and attack our forces and no longer use their IEDs or roadside bombs, as they are sometimes called, to so gravely wound and kill thousands and thousands of people, including many Americans. And we will ensure that Iran does not obtain a nuclear weapon. It's a very simple message. They will.
Oke. Kami melakukan operasi yang besar-besaran ini untuk mencegah diktator radikal tersebut mengancam keamanan kita. Kami akan menghancurkan rudal, industri militer, serta angkatan laut mereka, dan kami pastikan kelompok suruhan mereka ini tidak akan berani lagi untuk menyerang pasukan kita ataupun menggunakan bom rakitan.
Even so, and I do not make this statement lightly, the Iranian regime seeks to kill. The lives of courageous American heroes may be lost and we may have casualties. That often happens in war. But we're doing this not for now, we're doing this for the future, and it is a noble mission. We pray for every service.
Oke. Mereka tidak akan pernah punya senjata nuklir dan tidak ada militer di bumi ini yang bisa menandingi kekuatan militer dari Amerika saat ini. Meski kami sudah sangat memperkecil resiko, namun jika dalam perang, korban jiwa mungkin saja akan selalu ada.
I say tonight that you must lay down your weapons and have complete immunity, or in the alternative, face certain death. So, lay down your arms, you will be treated fairly with total immunity, or you will face certain death. Finally, to the great proud people of Iran, I say tonight that the hour of your freedom is at hand. Stay sheltered, don't leave your home. It's very dangerous outside, bombs will be dropping everywhere. When we are finished, take over your government. It will be yours to take. This will be probably your only chance for generations.
Oke. Kami berdoa bagi para prajurit kita yang telah mempertaruhkan nyawanya demi masa depan anak-anak kita, kepada aparat keamanan polisi dan negara Iran. Letakkan senjata kalian sekarang juga, maka kalian akan kami maafkan, atau kalian akan menghadapi kematian yang akan pasti. Dan kepada rakyat Iran, waktu kebebasan kalian sudah tiba. Tetaplah di rumah kalian, karena situasi sekarang sangatlah bahaya. Setelah ini selesai, ambil alihlah pemerintahan kalian sendiri, dan
Many years you have asked for America's help, but you never got it. No president was willing to do what I am willing to do tonight. Now you have a president who is giving you what you want. So let's see how you respond. America is backing you with overwhelming strength and devastating force.
Oke. Dan setelah ini selesai, ambil alih pemerintahan kalian sendiri. Dan sekarang saatnya menentukan nasib dari kalian. Dan terima kasih. Semoga Tuhan memberkati pasukan kita, pasukan Iran dan Amerika Serikat. Thank you.